What's up everybody, back again with another successful post-launch video, this time OTO protocol on the AVAX chain. We did a video on this one yesterday, pre-launch. Just wanted to make you guys aware of it because I did see a good team behind it and they've definitely proved themselves. So launch was a few hours ago at 6 p.m. UTC. We started off at $1 all the way up to its all-time high was at exactly $5. It was a nice 5x for anybody involved. You could have took your initial investment out, left it whatever you wanted to do nicely there. I mean, even for guys that couldn't get in the pre-sale and they bought in afterwards, it would still be up to a 2x all-time high. Again, you could have took your initials out and let the rest run. So it's been a few hours now. We see price holding a little bit of volatility, but it's to be expected for a project that started at a relatively low market cap. And so yeah, in my eyes, very successful launch. Also, I just wanted to talk about how well I've seen the team working since launch as well. If you've been keeping up to date with their Telegram or their Discord, you can see that since launch they've just not stopped with the biggest buy competitions, the shilling competitions, giving out cash prizes. They've been getting calls by different channels and influencers, which I expect to keep going from into the next few days. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see where this protocol goes. Not forgetting as well that holders of this protocol, not only are you going to be getting your rebases now every half an hour or so, but yeah, they've also got the farming service. So all the money, all the yield that their farming service gains over that month is then going to be paid out to the holders as well. So that's just an extra incentive to hold. And so yes, I'm excited to see where the team can take this one over the next few days, pushing up to maybe a new time high. And congratulations to anybody that got